Day 20, Christmas is almost here and we're talking about Vermentino. Welcome back to Drinking It In. I am your host, Chris Casara. We are here to help you know more and drink better, and today we're talking about Vermentino. You know, I couldn't create this wine advent calendar and not include Vermentino in these 24 grapes. You know I love it. I talk about it a lot on the channel. I often say it's an alternative to Sauvignon Blanc. It's got high acid, great citrus flavor, can go into the stone fruit world, and especially Viognier. And especially Vermentino from Italy, whether that is Sardinia or even Tuscany, there are a lot of good options out there. One of my favorites is the Argiolis Castamolino Vermentino di Sardinia. I've had that, done some videos on that. I always recommend that as a starting point to get into Vermentino. Really, really great stuff. Another one to look at is, look for is La Spinetta Vermentino. This one's from Tuscany. La Spinetta, tremendous winery. Their rosés are just, obviously it's not Vermentino, but their rosé is fabulous. They make amazing Barbaresco. Just such a great producer that the quality is always amazing. Just look for the Rhino and you never go wrong. You know, I think when I think of Viogniers and the flavor profile of Viognier, Jesus, why do I keep doing that? When I think of Vermentino and the flavor profile, the wines are medium bodied, medium to high acid, nice citrus profile, lemons, limes, more so than an orange. They can have some grapefruit, they can have some apple, they can have some peach. And they're also, if you're lucky, there's some that have a nuttiness to them. But it turns into just a great drinking experience. Go find the Argiolis, go find a La Spinetta. If you happen to see the Aragosta Vermentino with the lobster, a little crayfish on the label, walk past that one. But go give Vermentino a try. Go grab some, and I'll see you tomorrow.